Welcome to the South Ops Fire Weather Webcast for Wednesday, February 12th. I'm your host, Kristen Stewart. The current radar imagery this morning indicates that light showers ahead of the main storm system we have been talking about are quickly moving southeast across the region, mostly focused near the coast. Since last night, rainfall totals from this first wave have been very light. Around a quarter inch has fallen across the central coast and only a few hundredths elsewhere. These scattered light showers are expected to continue through tonight ahead of the main frontal band of steadier rain that is expected to arrive tomorrow. Through this evening, this initial wave will likely bring up to a quarter inch of rainfall for the flatter coastal plains and up to a half inch or 3/4 of an inch for the favored upslope locations of the coastal slopes. The main frontal band of precipitation is expected on Thursday, starting across the north and central coasts in the early morning and spreading southward into Southern California later Thursday afternoon and into Thursday evening. Light showers will be likely across the area ahead of this frontal band. This round of precipitation will be much steadier than today and is likely to be heavier as well, especially across south-facing upslope areas. Rainfall rates may reach 1 inch per hour, which would bring increasing concerns of significant debris flows to the recent burn scars, as well as flooding across urban areas. As a result of this risk, the National Weather Service has issued flood watches for much of the region through the day on Thursday. Please continue to monitor the forecast and current weather conditions during this event, and please watch for any flash flood warnings that may be issued by the National Weather Service. Steady precipitation will continue to move through Southern California on Friday morning, with scattered showers behind this main frontal band. Scattered showers will continue through the day on Friday, and conditions will begin to dry out later Friday into Saturday. This precipitation event will be the most significant of the season thus far for Southern California that will finally bring much-needed season-ending rainfall. However, flooding and debris flow risks will be increasingly apparent that will need to be seriously monitored. Forecast model projections remain in very good agreement and have been consistent day after day, so there is high confidence in forecast rainfall totals. Most foothill and mountains will receive rainfall in the realm of 3 to 6 inches through Friday. As usual, the highest totals will be focused across the favored south and southwest facing coastal slopes, as well as across the Sierra. Some isolated locations in the Sierra and across the Big Sur coast may even receive up to 8 inches or more. The coasts and valleys will receive around 1 to 3 inches through Friday, and the deserts in San Joaquin Valley will receive up to 1.5 inches, with those higher totals closer to the foothills. As is typical with atmospheric rivers, the snow level will remain fairly high during the event since the tropical moisture is warmer. The snow level will be around 6,000 to 7,000 feet through Thursday, and then lowered to around 5,000 feet on Friday after the bulk of the moisture has already moved through. Significant snowfall in the realm of feet is expected above 8,000 feet, particularly across the High Sierra. Due to the high snow levels, there's also a concern on rain on snow for lower elevations in the Sierra that may bring significant runoff. Temperatures will remain 5 to 10 degrees below normal through Friday as the stormy weather continues, with highs in the 50s to around 60 across the coasts and valleys. After the Pacific storm moves through, high pressure will redevelop over the region this weekend into early next week, bringing back drier and warmer weather. A weak trough may ripple through Northern California, but should be of little consequence to our region. Several degrees of warming will occur, with valley highs returning to the low 70s by early next week. The high pressure will also generate light offshore winds at times, but no significant winds are expected, and certainly no fire weather concerns are expected given the significant precipitation event. Little or no fire activity is expected across the region through the forecast period, and there will be a significant increase in dead fuel moistures thanks to the upcoming significant precipitation event. Despite this, there are enhanced concerns of flooding and debris flows across the recent burn scars with the chance of heavy rain. Please stay alert and monitor the forecast and current weather conditions as we go through this precipitation event. For some good news, the widespread significant precipitation will induce large-scale green-up across the region that will support the seasonal increase in live fuel moistures. This will really help the region be in good shape for the next couple months fire weather-wise. However, we will have to see how the rest of the season goes in terms of if we get another significant precipitation event that would keep us in the clear for a longer period of time. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in. Our next webcast will be on Thursday, February 13th. Have a fantastic day.